Hey guys, welcome back to SASTRA Vibes. Today I'm going to share the essential items you need for your college hostel at SASTRA University. First, let's begin with your room setup. Bring bed sheets to ensure a clean and comfortable sleeping surface, a pillow for proper head and neck support, and of course, a doormat to keep your space clean. Don't forget locks and keys to secure your belongings, and bags to carry your personal items and books. Next, bathroom essentials. Carry a bucket and mug for bathing and cleaning. Bathroom slippers are a must to protect your feet from wet surfaces. Chappals for casual hostel use, and a water bottle to stay hydrated throughout the day. Now for your study needs. Pack enough notebooks to take notes during classes, pens to write assignments and exams, a geometry box for technical drawing, and a calculator, especially the Casio FX991MS model, which is compulsory. Coming to clothes. Bring enough pants and shirts for daily use, nightwear to stay comfortable while sleeping, and the khaki uniform with half sleeves for boys. Girls can also bring churidars. A khaki overcoat is compulsory for girls during lab sessions and is easily available locally, so no need to bring it from home. For additional essentials, pack hangers, a laundry bag, and a small mirror. Black leather shoes will be needed during lab sessions. And for those who use it, you may carry a small grooming or makeup kit. All these essentials make your hostel life comfortable and convenient. Always check with your hostel warden or seniors for any last-minute tips or additional needs. And most of all, enjoy your college days. You can also make your life easier by ordering big items like umbrellas, bed sheets, bed, and pillows directly online from Flipkart or Amazon and courier them to your hostel address. We already explained this step by step in our previous video. Go check it out. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to SASTRA Vibes for more helpful videos.